Nobody cares about a woman. They only care about him, yo. Only care about him.
Who said that? Who said that?
Like, you see my hair, you see me, I'm sweating, I'm sick. I just want to go
But you see I'm here talking to you, right?
I've been begging him all day to let me go home, and he won't let me go home.
Okay.
June 12th in 2024, Middletown, New Jersey. Police respond to a call where an 18-year-old claims her ex held her hostage for hours, while he insists she's lying.
Nobody cares about a woman. They only care about him.
In American law, he said, she said isn't enough. But the louder one usually gets the first handcuffs.
Yo, only care
Who
about
said
him.
that? Who said that?
Like, you see my hair, you see me, I'm sweating, I'm sick. I just want to go
But you see I'm here talking to you, right?
I've been begging him all day to let me go home, and he won't let me go home.
Okay.
That is great. I don't need.
And you said you have cameras of her fighting with you?
My mom has a Ring camera, man.
Okay. Why won't he let you go home?
Because he wants to have sex,
Okay.
and I won't let him.
Okay.
Officers now have to determine whether this is a domestic dispute or something far more serious. Unlawful restraint.
I've been begging to go home for hours. He wouldn't let me go home. My dad's on the way. I just want to go home.
Okay.
He wants to have sex, and I want to go home.
Alright, so...
Please don't arrest me, bro.
The classic line right before every arrest, "Please don't arrest me."
Listen. So
fucking stupid.
Please listen. I understand there's a lot going on right now, and I understand that you're upset. But we need to just get the facts of what happened today. So if you can just take a deep breath for me and go over it from the very beginning and explain to me what happened.
We were fine, and when we were in Red Bank, we were hanging out in Red Bank with his stepbrother.
Okay.
And he started talking shit to me and being mean to me and making fun of me.
Okay.
And then I was telling him I want to go home, and he was like, no. And he told me to get on the bus to come here, and we were hanging out here, and then it was fine.
Okay.
And then he had his, I don't know what the f*** happened. He started yelling at me, and then he threw me on the ground, and here the f*** we are.
As the investigation continues, the victim claims her ex destroyed evidence. Her brand new iPhone 15.
And
I was asking him if I could go home.
Okay.
I was asking him over and over after we first got here. I said, can I go home? Can I go home? Can I call my dad? And can I go home? And he said no. He took my brand new iPhone 15 and smashed it on the ground.
Property damage? That's not just heartbreak. That's a felony in most states.
You can go search his house. You'll find my brand new, smashed iPhone 15. It's $1,200. Smashed on the ground. I'm not lying.
No,
That's why I freaked out. It's because I just got that phone, and now it's smashed into a million pieces.
Okay.
With conflicting stories and no visible injuries, officers must decide who's telling the truth before making an arrest.
Go ahead and stand up. All right. Go ahead and take a step right down here. Face the house and place your hands behind your back, okay? We're going to continue our investigation. Just bring her and get her set up. We'll do everything, okay?
Is there anything on you can...
No, what?
No reason to yell?
No!
Hey,
There's not. You can check me. Just take me right here.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
I'm going to catch
wanna go.
additional
There's no
charges
point.
for being disorderly.
What the
And I
fuck
don't
am
think
I
you really
supposed
want that, so...
What the fuck am
I don't know. Talk to me with a respect and a
Oh
calm
my
manner.
fucking God, are you kidding me?
Is there anything on you?
Nope.
Very nice, thank you.
Nothing says, "I'm calm," like screaming at the cop while being handcuffed.
It's more like it. Stop moving.
I'm not even moving.
Stop.
I'm not even moving, bitch. You just want to do that.
In cases like this, emotions run high. But the law in New Jersey is clear. Once domestic violence is alleged, someone goes to jail. He said it was love. She said it was prison. The law said domestic violence. And that's the only opinion that counts.